G'day, I'm Jasmine.
And I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Hidden Acres Homestead.
Today we're going to be having a look around our Craftsman YT4000 ride-on lawnmower. We're just going to show the average Joe how to use it. Alright, so first up we're just going to go over some basics. So it's always a good place to start, where you put the fuel. It's a 4-stroke engine, so we just put straight unleaded fuel in here. Just pour it in the top. So you just fill him up until you can see it in the top there. It does have a viewing window, but I find you can't really see it too well, but that's, you can see your fuel in there, but like I said, you can't see it real well. Underneath the bonnet, in the bonnet you just roll it forward, is where you have the 24 horsepower engine. It's a Briggs & Stratton. This one's nice and dusty. So up here we have our battery. Next, over here we have our engine oil dipstick. You can see that one right up to the full level there. You can see the dots. I haven't just had this running, so. Underneath this cover here is our air filter. Now, I haven't checked this one in a long time. It's probably pretty filthy going by the look of the outside of the engine. And there we go. Never ever had this out, but it's as simple as that. And it's just a matter of cleaning this foam. We can take that off and clean it, but for now we'll just put it back. So we'll wash this out with a bit of soap and water later. Just the foam and the actual filter we might blow out with a bit of compressed air, or if it's dirty enough we can just buy a new one. Okay, so we'll just screw that back down. Okay, so we're going to close up the bonnet. So then before you use your mower, you just want to just quickly check all your tyres. You can check all your belts and pulleys, but we've already done a video on that, on how to repair it. So if you haven't watched that, watch that video. Let's get started. All right, pretty obvious place to start is we've got a steering wheel. Just down to the right, we have our key switch. It has multiple positions. So as you can see it there, it's in the stop position. This next one, once we've started it, we can turn it back to that. That allows you to have the blades cutting in reverse. That is just normal operation, but if you put it in reverse, it will stop the engine, and that is to start it. Just up above that, you have this, which engages your blades. So that's blades engaged, disengaged. Just below that, we have our hour meter. Handy for keeping an eye on for service intervals and such. Right here, this is for your headlights on the front of the bonnet here. You have a couple of headlights here on the front of the bonnet. Next, we have our throttle control. So obviously low idle, high idle, and that's got your choke. Okay. Here is your parking brake. To activate your parking brake, you push your foot brake, which this is your foot brake. You push your foot brake all the way down and pull up, and it'll lock it on park. And to release it, you push your brake and it'll let it out. Okay, so just here on the left hand side of the machine, you have your 6 different cutting levels. We've actually found that it actually cuts very low. So we normally mow in like level number 5, which is, you know, good for an everyday lawn. But yeah, if we go much lower, we find we're cutting down to dirt. And then we'll go around the other side of the machine. We have Jasmine's favourite cup holder. And then here, this machine is not a heel and toe, it is a manual. So you put your foot on the brake and you can select which gear you want to go in. So 6 speeds forwards and just the 1 reverse. and then obviously neutral in the middle. Okay, let's start it up. To start it, we push it up and put the choke on a little bit. We're going to turn our key to that last position. Okay, once it starts, you want to take the choke off, and then you can choose whatever throttle position you want. Okay, like I said before, you can turn the key back to there, and that will let you have the blade spinning while you're reversing. Okay, so this machine has twin blades underneath. You can see it's got the 2 pulleys in that if you watch the other video. The side chute, it throws the grass out to the right. Quite a capable machine. It doesn't like thick stuff, but it's for the everyday lawn. We've found it quite good. Hope that's helped, and yeah, we'll do a video now with it taken off and showing you how it moves.
Thanks for checking out this video today, people.
Yeah, hope it's helpful.
We'll see you in the next video.
See ya.